Hey guys, I'm your host Teku and today I'm going to talk about the Demon Slayer Hashiras or the Pillars in English. Hashiras are the strongest member of Demon Slayer Corps. There are total 9 number of Hashira present in anime now and some are former members, and those who read manga, they knew what happened to them. Very sad. Before I start, there are lots of spoiler in this video. If you don't wanna hear any spoiler, so you can leave this video now. Before I start, there are some abilities that all Hashira possess, like total concentration, breathing constant, and Demon Slayer Mark, and they uses breathing styles like water breathing, flame breathing, etc. They don't use water or flame to slash a demon. I will explain it in another video, so make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Total concentration constant is a total concentration breathing state during the morning, noon and night, and even while sleeping. That advanced demon slayers such as Hashira can constantly maintain. Next one is Demon Slayer Mark. Is a mysterious marking that can be unlocked and may appear on the body of a strong demon slayer. It looks somewhat like a tattoo, scar or birthmark, and each Demon Slayer mark looks unique, related to the breathing style of a bearer. These are some abilities that all Hashira possess. So let's begin with the first one to appear in the series, the Water Hashira Gyu Tomioka. The user of water breathing style, and he is the one to encourage Tanjiro to join Demon Slayer Corps to save Nezuko. He is the second pillar to spoilers. As a Hashira of Demon Slayer Corps, Gyu is a very powerful Zordman. He is able to easily defeat Father Spider Demon in his transformed state and Rui, lower rank 5. Let's talk about some abilities. Being a Hashira of Demon Slayer Corps, Gyu is one of the most powerful and skilled Zordmen in the entire organization. He is very fast, being able to tie up Inosuke Hashibira before he even realized what happened. During the final battle with Muzan, Gyu able to turn his blade into temporary Crimson Red, which gives the ability to hamper the enhanced regeneration of demons. And now the Demon Slayer Mark. During his battle, Gyu awakens his Demon Slayer Mark, appearing as a fluid water-like design in his left cheek. When activated, he gained tremendous increase in speed, precision and endurance. Usually there are 10 forms of water breathing styles, but he developed one additional form of his own, the Dead Calm, and he is also one student of Orokodaki. Let's move on to the next one to appear in the series, Insect Hashira, user of the insect breathing Shinobu Kocho. Shinobu is rather laid back, always having a smile on her face regardless of the situation she is in. Her younger self had a more brash and straightforward demeanor as seen when she and her sister rescued Kanao Suyuri. She is a master Zordman and a medical expert. She is not as talented as other Hashira fellows in combat talent, but she is instead display immense skill and mastery over medical fields, and being highly knowledgeable about how to create various poison and venoms using wisteria flowers. She is capable of killing her opponents in a second. She also created anti-Kibutsuchi drug. It was a big spoiler, but okay, and other strong drugs too. She lacks her physical strength, but she has immense speed, almost a superhuman level of speed. Shinobu uses a heavily modified katana. It looks same as other katana from the handle to slightly above the hilt, but above hilt, the weapon loses its blade and it replaced by a rod. It ends in a needle-like tip, resembling an insect's stinger in appearance and function. She uses very unique breath, insect breath, because of her lack in physical strength, but she is as deadly as the other Hashiras. Insect breathing is a branched out from flower breathing, which itself a branch of water breathing.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hold on, don't worry, I will make a separate video on it. So just make sure subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. There is only 4 form of this style. Literally, how many you need to just for stabbing and thrusting? Anyway, she used her body in order to defeat an upper rank. I can't say the name because it's spoiler. Let's move on to the next Hashira, the Flame Hashira, Kyojuro Rengoku. User of flame breathing, of course. His appearance is just He is greatly enthusiastic in regard to his duties as Hashira and often came across as cheerful, eccentric, and we will get to see him in action in upcoming movie The Demon Slayer Mugen Train. As a Hashira of Demon Slayer Corps, Kyojuro is very powerful godman. Even the upper rank acknowledge his strength. I can't say the name again. Special thing about him that after he abandoned his father's teaching, he trained himself into a level of Hashira with just an instruction book of a flame breathing which only had 3 volumes. Kyojuro possesses great grip strength, actually unbelievable. He possesses great speed that even trained demon slayer like Tanjiro couldn't see or follow his movement and could even cause tremors to the ground with it. There are total 9 forms of flame breathing style, but we only get to see first, second, fourth, fifth and 9th forms. Obviously I am talking with manga as a reference, and if you are anime watcher you will know the reason soon. Next one is Sound Hashira Tengen Uzui. As you know, user of sound breathing, sometimes you have to breathe sound. Enough of your shitty joke, asshole. Tengen is very eccentric person, always wanting to complete action flamboyantly and very strange attitude, like forcefully and doesn't care about anyone. And special thing about him that he is a shinobi. Yes, a ninja. Shinobi always values their missions over anything, but Tengen rejected this ideology after seeing his effect on his family. He believes that everyone should value their lives for his own wife too. For his abilities, he is very powerful Zordman like the other Hashiras. He fought against one of the upper rank while protecting the others. Tengen possesses superhuman hearing similar to Zenitsu, just far more advanced, called echolocation. This ability allows him to easily hear noises deep underground in his arm. He has immense pain resistance due to his upbringing being raised to become a ninja, and poison resistance as well. He is a shinobi, he has 2. He uses unique kind of weapon benefiting his flamboyant personality. He carries an equally flamboyant set of weaponry. He uses 2 larger than normal Nichirin blades, which each have notch in the sharp ends of their blades and are held together at the hilt by the metal chain. He also carries bomb with him. He uses sound breathing, which is branch off from thunder breathing. He can read his opponent movements and turn them into sound and then analyze the rhythm of their movements. There are probably 5 forms of this breathing cause he only used first, fourth and fifth form in the entire series, so it's hard to know how many forms. Move on to the next one. Mist Hashira Muichiro Tokito, user of mist breathing, a short guy with a long hair. Muichiro is an airheaded individual who seems to constantly wander off in thoughts and never focus on one thing. But he is a good guy, caring and understands the situation very well, with a tragic past. As a Hashira of Demon Slayer Corps, he is very powerful Zordman. Did I mention he is youngest member to join the Hashiras within just training of 2 months and the age of 13. He has enhanced strength and his omnipresent range because of his twin brother death. I told you already, a tragic past. He also able to awaken transparent world like Tanjiro, allows him to see the joints movement, blood flow, muscles of his opponents, also known as superhuman kinetic vision, similar to Kanao which allows him to actually predict and anticipate the movements and attack of his opponents. During the battle against upper rank, he is able to turn his Nichirin blade into crimson red. He is able to awaken his Demon Slayer mark. Muichiro's Demon Slayer mark first appeared during the battle against upper rank 5 Gyokko. It looks like silver red mist-like design that covers the entirety of his body, most noticeable on his face and arms. It gives an immense increase in his strength, not only operate a several poison but additionally kill upper rank effortlessly. However, once the mark disappears, he starts to suffer from the poison. He uses mist breathing, branched out from the wind breathing. He completely mastered his breathing style. There are only 7 forms of mist breathing style. In fight against upper rank 5, he creates the 7th form, obscuring clouds, to hide behind mist and move in a blink of eye. Next one is Love Hashira Mitsuru Kanroji, a emotional and passionate person. Exactly like her nickname, the Hashira of Love, she confesses her love in a final battle against Muzan to Obnai Iguro. She joins Corps because of her selfish reason to find a husband, but she feels guilty often she knows about Shinobu and other member reasons to join. Obviously, as a Hashira, she is master in her swordmanship. In her battle against Upper Rank 4, she is easily able to dodge his attack and forcing him to use his demon arts. But not as fast as some Hashira fellows. When fighting against Muzan, she was not able to keep up with them, which leads her out of the fight entirely. She is very powerful in her physical strength in Hashiras and the most powerful girl in the entire series. She has very unique constitution. She has a special muscle composition with a density 8 times that regular. Her body structure as well as her body's extreme physical strength and durability, she also possesses incredible flexibility. While fighting against Upper Rank 4, she awakens her demon mark that takes a forms of two hearts upside down and opposite from each other, with angel wings on both sides where the two heart strips meet that appear on her neck. And she is one of the Hashiras, those who uses unique kind of weapon, which looks like a ribbon or whip, which makes her the user of the fastest technique in the Hashiras. Mitsuru uses her weapon to take advantage of her natural gifts. As a love Hashira, she uses love breathing, which has 6 forms. We get to see all forms of this style except for the 4th one. Taking full advantage of the unique constitution of her body, she created a breathing style that combines her immense superhuman strength and flexibility to create a unique 8 strong Zord type. Next one is the most badass, ruthless looking character in the series, Sanemi Shinazugawa. He looks very rude and ruthless, but believe or not, he is the most caring one towards his only one brother Genya. His cold behavior is the result of losing too many people he cared about in the past because of demons, and he is the one who possesses my favorite Nichirin Zord. Yes, the green one. He is one of the most skilled Zordmen in the corps. When fighting against upper rank 1 Kokushibo, he impressed by Sanemi's sword techniques. A demon with hundreds of years of skills and experience behind him praised him. Sanemi has also shown the ability to manipulate his own muscles to close up and prevent fatal and mortal wounds from the opening up and bleeding out. And he is also able to turn his blade into crimson red Nichirin blade. In the first time, he is able when Gyumi's spike pale strike with his blade with his own, turning both of them briefly red. And second time when he forcefully clashes his sword together with Gyu's sword, turning both of their blades into temporary red. When fighting against upper rank 1 Kokushibo, he awakens his demon mark on his right cheek. It looks like a single paper origami windmill and 2 dots on both the sides. I think no need to tell what happens when it appears. As a Hashira, user of wind breathing, which has only 9 forms a lot. Next one is Obnai Iguro, Serpent Hashira, user of serpent breathing as well as Serpent 2. One of the unique person in appearance. He possesses Letrochromia. His right eye is yellow and his left eye is turquoise, like a green. He is partially blind as he can barely see out of his right eye. He is very harsh and strict individual who shows no mercy for those who do not abide by the Demon Slayer code. A skilled Zordman like other Hashiras. During Hashira training, Obnai he taught Zord skills revision to the other Demon Slayer. He has great physical strength and enhanced endurance with a great speed. He has always been partially blind in his right eye. He developed a combat technique utilizing his snake Kabura Maru. Kabura Maru is able to read enemy attacks and then relay that information to Obnai. When Obnai is completely blinded by Muzan, but he is still able to continue fighting as if nothing happened. He is also able to turn his blade into crimson red Nichirin during the battle against Muzan. After manifesting Demon Slayer mark and remembering how Muichiro turned his blade into red, the mark took the form of 3 snakes like a tattoo pattern with a large dots stretching from his right arm to the right side of his chest. He is also able to access the transparent world due to given instruction by Gyumi. He also uses unique kind of weapon His blade is similar in appearance to an Indonesian Chris Zord. The shape molded into waves to complement Obnice serpent breathing techniques. There are 5 forms of serpent breathing, which is branched out from water breathing. It focuses on twisting and bending the Zord like how a serpent slits. The last one in current Hashiras and the strongest one in the corpse stone Hashiras, Gyome Himejima. He is one of the tallest character in the series and taller than any his Hashira fellows. Powerfully built and extremely muscular and a completely blind since childhood and emotional one. He is the eldest member in the Hashira according to the upper rank one. He has to be dead despising his age cause none of the mark awakened person can't live more than 28 to 30 years of his life. He is very powerful Zordman. He is stated by Inosuke and Tanjiro to be the strongest demon slayer in the entire corps. He possesses immense physical strength. During their battle against Kakushibo noted that in stark contrast to Gyome's large physical build, he possesses extremely fast and quick reflexes, being able to easily move around his body to avoid all of his attacks. He also possesses tremendous level of physical endurance. He has compensated and alternated his sense to adapt to his conditions, effectively developing a superhuman sense of hearing, being able to hear the sound of Muzan Kibutsuji's flesh regeneration during their confrontation. Yes, advanced than Tengen and Zenitsu. Also able to turn his weapon in Crimson Red Nichirin while fighting to Kokushibo by striking with Samini's sword. Later while fighting Muzan, he turned his weapon red by striking them together. His Demon Slayer mark awakened while fighting the upper rank one, appearing as a cracked earth figure-like pattern on both of his forearms. Despite being blind, he gained the ability to see a perfect image of his opponent's transparent world. He is also one of the members to use unique weapons consisting of an Ono means X attached to a spiked file via a long chain to compensate for his lack of sight. Gyome utilizes the sound of chain to direct the motion of an X and fail, allowing him to wield the weapon effectively. He uses stone breathing suitable to his character. There are 5 forms of this breathing type. So these are the present Hashiras in anime, and in manga readers knows very well. There are some former Hashiras as follows. First, Water Hashira Sakonji Urokodaki, Master of Tanjiro and Gyu. Second, Thunder Hashira Jigoro Kiwajima, Master of Zenitsu and Upper Rank 4. Third, Shinjiro Rengoku, Flame Hashira, Father of Kyojuro Rengoku. Fourth, Flower Hashira Kanao Kocho, Sister of Shinobu Kocho. These are the some known former Hashiras in the series. So that's it for this video guys. I will explain the breathing styles in the next video, and I am going to recap Attack on Titan all seasons part wise. So make sure to subscribe the channel Crazy Animer and press the bell icon for miss an update. If anything that I forget to mention, so comment down and let me know. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.